Let's talk about sexual harassment in the workplace. We all want to and have the right to feel safe at work with colleagues, managers, and third parties. What is sexual harassment? Well, whilst not an exhaustive list, sexual harassment includes sharing videos of a sexual nature, photographs, messages, gestures, jokes, and unwanted touching. And you may not intend or consider your words or actions could amount to sexual harassment. What matters is how it's perceived by the other person. Everyone is different, and what some people consider acceptable, others may find offensive. This may be because of religion, sexual orientation, race, and past history. And what makes something sexual harassment is that it has the effect of violating someone's dignity, creating a hostile environment, causes humiliation, or makes someone feel degraded. In law, it is the effect, not the intention, that matters. And if you aren't sure whether the behaviour amounts to sexual harassment, consider how you would view this behaviour if it happened to someone else. Could it have the same effect on them? Now let's think of some examples. Tina, who identifies as a lesbian, hears her colleague Ben say to another worker, "I bet I could turn her." If Tina believes this comment is about her, and that it's Ben's opinion that he could change her into a heterosexual woman, and Tina finds this degrading and humiliating, it will amount to sexual harassment. This would be separate from harassment based on sexual orientation. This is because the words, "I bet I could turn her," suggests some form of sexual conduct. Now let's see a second example. Melanie and Peter in a meeting together, and Melanie puts her hand on Pete's leg under the table. If Pete finds this touch a violation of his dignity, it will amount to sexual harassment. Now, a final example on an offensive environment. A group of men are at work. Sam gets out his phone and starts showing a pornographic video. Andy's used to Sam showing porn at work, and he really dislikes it, but he doesn't feel he can speak up for fear of being belittled. This could amount to sexual harassment if, for Andy, it creates an offensive environment. Now, what are your employer's responsibilities? Your employer should have a zero tolerance policy. You should review your employer's sexual harassment policy in the staff handbook for more information. If you have concerns about sexual harassment, whether you've experienced or witnessed it, you should speak to your manager. They will let you know what the next steps are. If you are the witness, consider what the person on the receiving end wants to happen. Consider what support systems your employer has in place. When you report concerns, it should be treated confidentially, sensitively, and seriously. Let your employer know what happened and try to stick to the facts, why it was not okay, and what you need your employer to do. You can raise the matter informally or formally by submitting a grievance. And you should be able to ask your employer what steps they're taking to prevent sexual harassment and what risks they've identified. Remember, sexual harassment is never okay. And if watching this video has raised some concerns, you may wish to contact the following organisations for support: ACAS, Victim Support, or Rights of Women.